Welcome back, Gundam fans. Yes, in the last video was the Exia Gundam. Now this is the Repair 2. Let's open the box and you will find Repair 2, the Exia Gundam Repair 2. It's a very small model, yet a very good one. And what have I done to my Exia? I changed it to the Trans Am as shown before. Uh, this guy I detailed a lot, and you can see there by the face, the side, there the head, the face there, the yellow there, the red. It's quite dark. Can't see it. The red is there, and the white hand, the gray, the white, the feet with crystal green. But my most favorite part is, take this out, GN sword. Oh man, is this GN sword tree. Yeah, I don't want to use a sticker, so I bought the crystal green. So nice, looks like clear part. And one thing special about this model kit that the Exia don't have is the, I don't know what it's called, but I call it the Exia Flyer because it has the weapons from Exia, like the GN blade, sword, shield, and the 4 sabers here. They're in darker color. The Repair 2 is darker than the original. And finally, I've bought something very, very special. It's very rare to find. Here it is. Strike Gundam with the striker weapon system. Yes. And I already bought the strike. And here we go. The sword strike, the SD version. And I want the no grade, the 1/144 for my high grade. It's so hard, but I hope that they will make it faster because I'm very excited of completing. And there you go, the Exia Repair 2 with the 2 daggers and the sword strike with painted sword. It's all light blue. Good thing it's light blue. The anchor thing here, the beam boomerang, the shield thing, and the back is painted already. So in the next review I'm gonna show you Ale Strike, Launcher Strike, and the Sky Grasper of this thing. Well, they even come with one more strike. If I buy one more, I can have all these 3 just separately. Maybe I can do that. They're cheap here. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to post more videos. Rate, comment. Very rare to find subscribers. Thank you.